Hello all and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing how to generate hashtags for your post on social media. It could be on Facebook, it could be on Instagram. If you don't know that you can use hashtag on Facebook, know that today that you can also use hashtags on Facebook to make your post visible. So based on the app I showed you guys, when you install it on your phone, you then click on it and it brings you here. Now you can see enter up to 6 keywords separated by a space. Now you have to fix in 6 keywords at a time to generate a variation of keywords that you can use to help your post to rank, thereby making your business visible to people. So now I'm going to type, using an example. Let's say I'm in Kaduna, and I want hashtag for Kaduna. I'll put Kaduna, enter. Then let's say I'm a Kaduna baker, space. Then let's say I want to do Kaduna weddings, just about 6. Then let's say Kaduna cake shop, right? Then let's say I now want to use an influencer's handle. Let's say Obisora. Okay, then I click on generate. So it's going to take some time to generate keywords for you that have these hashtags involved, and also some additional keywords. It's going to generate a lot of keywords for you. So you can see Kaduna, you can see Kaduna weddings, Obisora. You can see all the keywords, generate a lot of keywords. So yours is that you can copy them. Now I would like to give you an advice. When you're using keywords, you make sure if you're going to use a keyword in million, it should be, let's say, 1 or 2 in your post, because it's not that you avoid them totally, because once you make a post, your post will get missing because that hashtag is highly being used. So you can now come and look for hashtags that are less competitive that will make your hashtag visible. So now if I come here and I'll now select, I click on, let's say I want Kaduna babes, Obisora, Kaduna business, Kaduna bakers, 34.5k is really okay. Let's say Kaduna moms. Let me look again. Let's say I want Kaduna vendors, Kaduna bakery. You see less competition, 425. Now when you're selecting doing your hashtag, make sure you're using hashtag that your ideal customer will actually be searching for. Like if you're looking for a shoe, what will you go and search for on Instagram? Maybe I want to buy I'll just say maybe shoe vendors in Kaduna. So you have to make sure you're selecting hashtags that you know that your customers might be thinking when they want to search for you. So Kaduna vendors, Kaduna bakery, and some other hashtags that they usually might be searching for, and they'll just accidentally stumble on your post. For example, like you see Kaduna moms. Let's say someone has interest in checking out Kaduna moms. Let's say because Kaduna moms hashtag have a lot of things featured there. So let's say someone you were just scrolling by and just bumped into that your beautiful product that is very enticing. At least it drags them. Okay, so this is it. So you can copy, select. When you finish selecting them, then you can now click on save. Either you want to save it will save this as a category on the app, or you can copy all. Once it's copied, you go to your WhatsApp or your social media page, you long press and you paste it there. I won't do that in this video. So that's it. So if after doing this you've selected a lot, you can now come and clear the above again and select. Let's now start by saying online cake shop. Let's say you can just online cake shop. Okay, yep, online cake shop. Yep. So let's say just that. Let's say that's the only one I want to search for. It's searching. So you see it brings up the hashtag. So all you do is you copy it and you can use this platform to generate a lot of hashtag for a variation of your post, and it's going to help your post to also rank well, because now this is an organic means of driving traffic to your page. As we all know, hashtag is an organic means of driving traffic to your page. So if you are making a post on social media or any platform and you are not using hashtag, I want to tell you that you've like been investing and like your money and time, because it's money to be online, and you're just posting for nothing because nobody is seeing that post. So do endeavor to use hashtag, and this platform will help you generate hashtags in seconds, as you can see. So I hope you found this session valuable.